So what results are we able to get now with ScoreApp? Well, picture this. Hey there, Ryan Ettridge here, founder at Becoming Unstuckable, and I wanted to share some insights as to how ScoreApp plays a vital role in moving our clients from stuck to unstuckable, starting with the problem we were dealing with before ScoreApp. Now imagine your life's like a blender with the lid off, there's chaos everywhere, and you got no clue how to fix it. Well, when we're drowning in guilt, shame and confusion, or whatever is underneath the stuckness, we devour ebooks and articles, which are super helpful starting points, but now we need to know exactly what's really going on for us. I've had my fair share of poo-covered fan moments too, where clarity seems miles away, so ScoreApp provides that mechanism to start the cleaning up process by pinpointing exactly where participants are stuck and providing a personalized PDF report, giving us that much needed kickstart. So what results are we able to get now with ScoreApp? Well, picture this, a magic mirror that shows not only how you're stuck, but how to break free. Thanks to ScoreApp, I can now personalize debriefs by walking participants through their results, giving them a sneak peek into the Becoming Unstuckable system, and it allows them to test out whether or not the programs are right for them. It's like a guided tour through the life that they're meant to live, with Becoming Unstuckable enabling that. So it's really this qualification and chemistry check that ScoreApp allows us to provide. Very quick results and a very powerful process. My favorite thing about ScoreApp is its simplicity. A 3-minute quiz leads to an automated yet tailored report that delivers insights like a wisdom bomb. The streamlined process lets me connect with participants really quickly and make a meaningful impact. It's like having my personal virtual genie granting wishes for clarity and freedom to participants in no time at all. So if you're feeling like life's throwing poo at your fan, ScoreApp is that superhero cape you didn't know you needed. If you're ready to ditch the mess and find your way to freedom, let ScoreApp get your process unstuck.